Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful YouTube end screen quickly, easily, and for not much money. Here we go. All right, everybody, here we go. YouTube end screens are a very important part of any YouTube channel. And the beauty of it is you can create it once and use it across all of your videos. So here's exactly how you do it. Let's jump over to the computer. So first things first, I'm gonna do a big reveal here with this tool that is called Motion Array. Now, we're not going to recreate the wheel here. We're going to keep it simple and we're going to use a template here. So I've got Motion Array pulled up. I'm a member here. You can sign up for 1 month, download everything you need and get out of there. I like to stay in there because there's things I need and I jump in, get what I need and get out. Now, YouTube end screens, you type that in. Here is a YouTube end screen pack. So check this out. This is really interesting. What they've got here is a package that can be used for Premiere Pro. Okay, it's a template that's got a couple different intros. So check this out. So this is a YouTube pack which has more than just the end screen, but I'm gonna cut to that so I can show you that. So check this out. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so find an end screen template that you just love and you cannot live without. That's what I did. I like this one. So I'm downloading this template for Premiere Pro, which is an Adobe editing program. And so if we actually take this template, look at this, I'll show you again here. So that's it. So look, you download the file, you come over here to Premiere, and look at this. I've done a few things here, okay? So I've taken this template file, and what I've done, I'm gonna mute the background track here for a second. I've taken that template and I've hot rodded it in a sense here. So I've added in this aerial footage that I found to give it a little more pizzazz for me, my style, and to fit my channel a little bit better than just a blank background here. So look, this is how it would look. And obviously, I've edited the text here to make it my channel. And then I added this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, what I really like about this is that it's pulsing. And what's going to go right here is my YouTube profile photo. And then right here under these boxes, I'm going to add, I think it's like your most popular video and then another recent upload of your channel, and you can pick those inside of YouTube whenever you upload a video. So this is how the template looks. Again, I've just updated the text here, and then I've updated the text below it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, what's really, really interesting is that the end screen or end card, whatever you want to call it, is basically allowed to be 5 to 20 seconds, okay? So look at this. I've made it the complete 20 seconds just because I want to give people a little more time to either subscribe by clicking the photo here or watch the other videos. But look at how much this changes. This is not very exciting at all, and I admit that, okay? What I've done here is pulled in some stock drone footage, okay? Also from Motion Array, great website. I'll link to it down below. And look at this. Look at how much this spices up the end card. Check this out. So now we've got a little background with some opacity on it, and we've got these boxes pulsing. Okay, now we're getting somewhere, right? And this is all very easy to do. You just drag those clips in once you import them, right? Okay, it's looking better. It's looking better. The only thing this needs is a little background music. So I also got a royalty-free music track also from Motion Array, and this is not an ad for them. They're not endorsing the channel by any means. I just wanted to show you what's possible here. So check this out. I'm going to play it all the way through. Here's what it looks like. All right. So I hope you guys like that. Let me go back over here to Motion Array. As you can see, look, I'm going to summarize real quick. All you need to do, give me some background music. Okay, go to motionarray.com, sign up for an account, look for YouTube end cards or end screens, download your favorite one, then find a good background track with their royalty-free music library that you can play over your end card, one that fits your style, your vlog, your channel. Then pull them together in Premiere Pro, make it into that full production that we have here, and you've got a YouTube end screen. That's it for today's video, and on that note, I'm gonna hit my own YouTube end screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.